Hi everyone, welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual story time. We're on week 6. Are you ready? All right, hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk all things space. So let's get started right away. So my first book that I'm going to share with you today is called Touch the Brightest Star by Christine Matheson. Okay, and in this book, I'm going to need your help, okay? So let's get started. Magic happens every night. First wave goodbye to the sun's bright light. Okay, wave goodbye. Gently press the firefly. Okay, press the firefly, press it. Oh, press again to light up the sky. Now, let's blow a quiet breeze. Pat the deer. And say goodnight, please. Good night. Tap the sky beside the tree. Make a wish and count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Swipe the sky from left to right. Wow! Now blink your eyes. What a starry night. Touch the brightest star you see. Psst, it's right there near the tree. Can you see it? It's right there. Trace the picture of the dipper that's kind of a spoon. So we're going to trace it. Ready? Look, a little one. Time to whisper. Come out. Okay, can you whisper that out? Come out. Watch the sky and call, whoo, whoo. Then turn the page to see who's new. Rub the owls on their heads. It's their turn to fly to bed. Close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Nod your head if you feel sleepy. When you open your eyes again, the magic of the day begins. Wasn't that a great story? Okay, so our craft this week is a spaceship. So you are going to have in your craft kit this bag. So I'm going to show you, and so you're going to, what I would do is just dump everything out of your bag that you've got. The first thing you're going to need is this one, and then this long tube colored one. Yours might be red, it might be purple, it might be a different color. It's okay as long as it's this shape. Then get your glue stick or your glue. You're going to glue it to the bottom. Okay, so that's the first step. Next step, you're going to have one green circle. Glue. You're going to put that right there. And if you want to, I tucked mine under the other construction piece. You can do that too, or put it on top, or however you want to do it. Find your one sticky eye. Okay. Stick it in the middle of that green circle. Okay. And then you have 3 white circles and 3 yellow circles. So I'm going to put glue on each one. So I do my 3 circles, and then I take the yellow and I do the same thing, and I'm going to put them right on top of the white circle, like so. And then you should have 2 little green rectangle pieces. If you don't want to use them, that's okay, or if you do, it's up to you. You put little glue on the end of them, and then you're going to glue it to the top of your green circle. Remember what I say, if you're gluing something, sometimes it's good to hold it down for a little bit before you stop touching it, so that way it'll stick. And then the last thing you have is a popsicle stick. And instead of gluing it, I'm going to take some tape and then tape it to the back side. And now you have a flying spaceship with a little alien. Okay, so that's your craft for this week. Let's read our next story. And our next story is about an alien. Okay, so our next story is called Your Alien by Tammy Sauer, and it's illustrated by Goro Fute. Okay. You will be looking out your window when something wonderful comes your way. You will want to keep him. Keep an alien? You'll have to break the news to your parents. Luckily, they won't notice what they just agreed to. Your alien will follow you to school. He'll love the art supplies and the water fountain. But Mr. Binky will make him a little nervous. Your classmates will think your alien is awesome. As for your teacher, she'll think she needs new glasses. At the end of the school day, your alien will want to go exploring. You'll see ordinary things in a brand new way. After a while, your alien will realize he's hungry. The 2 of you will race home for dinner. You'll try to share your casserole and peas, but your alien will have other ideas. Oh no, the alien's eating the couch cushion! It's eating the couch! Once you deal with the mess, you'll notice something is wrong with your alien. You'll try to make him feel better, but nothing seems to work. Not even your robot jammies will do the trick. Oh, poor alien, I wonder why. You'll both be tired and ready for a bedtime story. Then your mom and dad will kiss you goodnight. Oh, look at, he's so sad. This will make your alien sniffle, and that will make you sniffle too. When you turn off your light, you'll notice something about your alien right away. Meep, oog. You'll quickly turn on the light. Then you'll give your alien a hug. This will make you think about other hugs. And for the first time, you'll know exactly what your alien needs. You turn on every light in the house. Click, 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 click. And you'll also decide to add a few extras here or there. That's a lot of extras, right? This will attract some attention. Meep, oog. The reunion scene will be out of this world. Then you and your alien will wave goodbye. You'll feel like you could really use a hug. And you'll be looking out your window. When something wonderful comes your way. What do you think it'll be? Oh, it's a hug. Isn't that great? All right, everybody, that is all I have for you this week. Next week, we're going to talk letters in the alphabet. So I have a few books I want to share with you that you can request through Curbside. One is called R is for Rocket, an ABC book. This one's called Sleepy ABC. And then the last one I have is called LMNOPs. Okay, that's all I have to share with you today. I will hopefully will see you back here next week. Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See you next week.